Welcome to SalesATM tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to transfer cash at hand to bank. Normally, this cash at hand comes from POS sales when customers pay with cash. Let's dive into it. To transfer cash to bank, you need to use the journal entry. And you can get to the journal entry page by clicking on Account, Journal Entry, and then this page will be launched. When this page is launched, you can see current journal entries. If you don't have any, then there's nothing. Maybe you haven't entered anything yet, but you can change your date range and see your journal entries. But to transfer cash to bank, you click on Add New, or if you want to create any entry, click on Add New Transactions. Then you select the date of the transactions. So let's say one transaction. So we select the date for this transaction. And then the description. The description is cash transfers or transferred to bank. Or you can say transferring cash at hand to bank. So we can check here, transferring cash at hand to bank. Then we enter the amount. Let's say 100 Ghana cedis. If it is in dollars, you say $100. Then the account that you are going to debit. Now we're going to transfer the money or from cash at hand to bank. So we're going to debit bank because bank is an asset and receiving the value here. And then we have first you select the branch. We have the transaction account, debit transaction account. This is bank. And then if you have created your bank, the banks that you do, your bank accounts, you can see it here. You select the bank, and then you're going to credit cash. But let's pick the branch first. So head office, same branch, and then we pick the account. So cash, we select cash. And then that is done because we've entered the amount and everything. Then we enter it here. So we click on save. Okay, they said we have to select credit transaction account. We haven't selected the cash account yet. So we select cash at hand for head office. And then we save. Then it will tell you journal entry of debiting Standard Bank and crediting cash at hand, head office, save successfully. You will see it here as well. So it will tell you what you have done. For you to confirm, you have to go to the cash account and the bank account to see if these transactions are recorded there. So we go to report, accounting, and we choose cash account details and see what has happened to our cash account details there. So we will see that this transaction is recorded again there. So we can see it's a journal entry transferring cash at hand to bank, and the cash value has been reduced by 100 and the balance has increased. Let's go to the bank and see what also happened to the bank account details. So we go to bank account details and let's see, we see journal entry transferring cash at hand to bank. So the value is added and we have our bank balance here. So let's recap what we've just learned. So to transfer cash at hand to bank, you need to go to journal entry. And when you get to the journal entry, you click on add new transaction, you select the date, and then the transaction description, the amount you are transferring, then you select the debit account. Here, this is the bank, or you select the branch that you are going to debit, and the debit account is bank. And then we go to the credit part of it. We select, you select the bank, the bank itself. So before you do that, it will ask you to enter the value. So let's see. So we select the bank. And then we go to the credit branch and then the credit account, which is cash. And then we need to select the cash account. And then we have to fill in information and then you saved. So very easy to transfer cash at hand to bank. Thanks for watching.